Hi guys, this is a quick video to show you how to replace the battery in one of these Land Rover or Range Rover and Jaguar key fobs with the chrome strip at the side. At the bottom here there's a small little triangle symbol. So from the bottom there, if I pinch from the bottom and the top, if you just push that up, it unclips, and then this just chrome part pulls off. You might need to just get your fingernails in there to help pull it out. Underneath here then you've got the emergency key that just pulls out. Now I'll use this to help open this case up. So at the side here there's a small little hole, so if I just go inside there and give that a bit of a twist, it kind of helps open that up. And then what you can do is you can just use your fingers then to just pull the case off. So it comes off like that. And then as you see underneath there, the battery. So you can just about pull the battery out with your fingers. A little bit tricky. There we go. So you can see there it's a CR2032 3-volt battery, little button battery. To replace it, you just push underneath, push up with the case, put it in at the bottom first, and then you just push up to the top. That clips in, and then we can put the emergency key blade back, push that into place. Then we can put the chrome trim back. So at the bottom there where the little triangle bit was, that goes towards the bottom. So kind of about there, and then you just slide that back down. That's it. That's how to replace the battery. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate or subscribe.